it's around 11:30 in the morning and I'm gonna be catching the 11:50 Gold Coast shuttle bus, going to my Muay Thai class, then meeting up with Claudine, and then we're gonna go surfing with two of my other schoolmates. MTR station. Okay, we're going to the beach like at around 2 o'clock. Except for her, she's gonna do school stuff. I did some earlier. We'll take these broken songs, make them as good as new, bind it together into something we could never lose. We're rivers in the night. I go left and you go right. We'll find on the other side who we are, who we are. We can make it into something beautiful. Yeah, we don't have to try. We can make it into something wonderful. My Muay Thai class just finished and I'm on my way to meet Ahimsa in home, my favorite vegan cafe, and it's just like right over there. I don't know how you pronounce the street. It starts with a D. It's French sounding street. It's just like parallel to Queens Road Central, and that's where my Muay Thai gym is. So I'm gonna meet up with her, and then we're gonna meet up with Odette and Claudine, and then we're gonna head to the beach for surfing. Hey guys, are you ready to surf? Okay, we are on the bus going to Big Wave Bay. Oh my god. I go left and you go right. We'll find on the other side who we are, who we are. Okay, we are here in Big Wave Bay. Finally made it. So excited to surf. Time to surf. Done surfing and now it's time for us to eat because we are dead hungry. French fries! We want French fries. I want French fries. It's time for a hot meal, you guys. It's time for a hot meal.
Sailing, it's like
gliding.
No,
I think that's We are home, back in Gold Coast, back at it at Gold Coast. What a good day.
Oh, sorry.